Hello everyone, I'm Sunny from Power International. Once again, we are together at another coastal town. It's called Beylikdüzü. We are in Deniz Istanbul Marina Houses. So we have 3,000 apartments and flats, 14 of them are villas, and the whole net for one villa is like 450 square meters, and the whole place is like more than 1,500,000 square meters, and 79% of this place is green areas. Let's go see one of the sample villas that we have here. We start with the living room and dining room that are attached together. This villa is like 4+1 and it's the best place for your family members. It opens directly to the sea, Marina Sea, and that's perfect. Let's go through this villa and see all details here. On the right side we have the kitchen, the left side we have the guest bathroom. The architecture of this kitchen, look at this is so modern, except the TV and the fridge, everything is included and on the house. So let's see these places, and we have a garden, like right in front of you, you can go to the garden and there is no run away from the Marina Sea, you can always walk through the sea. Now we are in the guest room. This is the first room that you can enter from the entrance of the house, and it has its private bathroom. And look at this place, the architecture, the colors, everything is so perfect. Okay, let's use the stairs or the elevator. Also, there is an elevator here, so we can use it to go upstairs and down the stairs. Let's try that one. Come with me. Okay, here we are. We are on the first floor. Let's go to the master bedroom. So it has its own toilet, but before seeing the toilet, let's see this beautiful dressing room. So you can have your own place for your dressing, and we call them like wardrobe and this kind of things. That's so huge and spacious. So after this we're going to see the bed and the stuff. Oh, before that we have our private balcony here. It's also big. Can I open it? The balcony, wow, the smell of the sea, and you can see also the yachts. They're talking to each other here, so you can watch everything and observe everything from here. As you can see, every room has its own TV and a big mirror, so you can watch yourself anytime you want. Okay, let's go to the second bedroom. This is a smaller. It also has its own toilets and bathroom and everything included. And the places, wardrobes, everything is included on the house. And look at the TV there. The third bedroom, it's also like for couples and double beds, and it has also its own toilet and everything that was the same with the other room. Let's go to the basement and then to the underground floor. Under the basement, there is this beautiful spot, sauna, shower, and another toilet. Everywhere in this house, you know, they are full of mirrors. And there is also a bedroom for the servants, and it has its own toilet too. Let's go to my favorite part. It's incredible. Let me show it to you. I'm walking through my favorite spot here, this living room. It is included a bar, a huge mirror. What I like into myself, it's so enjoyable, and this place and the dark color decoration and everything. Let me take a breath. This is also breathtaking. So, what can you expect more as a luxury home for your family? We are in Istanbul in winter and it's like cold and windy, and you can also see that we are close to the sea and you can see the yachts. And today we were at Marina. Thanks for watching us. And for like always, what was our slogan? Discover the power of investment.